Welcome to Crypto Journal, your trusted source for crypto insights and investment strategies. Today, we are diving into the best DeFi platforms for high returns in 2026, showing you how to earn passive income safely while exploring innovative blockchain finance opportunities. If you're new to DeFi, a great place to start is DeFi Pulse, where you can track the most popular DeFi platforms by total value locked and performance trends. So, what is DeFi and why it's profitable? DeFi or decentralized finance is a blockchain based system that allows users to lend, borrow, stake, and earn interest on cryptocurrency without relying on traditional banks. Platforms like Avi allow users to lend crypto assets and earn daily interest, while Compound offers flexible borrowing and lending rates with a reliable smart contract system. For a broader view of DeFi projects and yields, you can check CoinGecko DeFi section, which provides detailed information on the most profitable platforms available. Top DeFi platforms for high returns. When it comes to high yield DeFi platforms, security and liquidity are just as important as APV. Avi is widely trusted for its transparent protocol and frequent security audits, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced users. Unlike Compound, allows you to supply crypto to earn interest or borrow with flexible rates. For those looking for automated strategies, Yearn.finance offers yield farming automation that optimizes returns without manual management to compare returns across multiple platforms in real time. DeFi Llama is an invaluable resource. Tips to maximize your DeFi earning. To make the most of DeFi platform, staying informed and strategic is crucial. Use Zapper to track multiple investments in one dashboard, analyze risk, and optimize yields. Diversifying across lending, staking, and yield farming reduces risk and increases profit potential. Additionally, joining active communities on Discord or Reddit such as Avi Discord or r/DeFi helps you stay updated on platform changes, promotions, and emerging high-yield opportunities. Before engaging with any protocol, always store your crypto securely in wallets like MetaMask. Risk and safety measures. While DeFi offers attractive returns, it comes with risks such as smart contract vulnerabilities, impartment loss in liquidity pools, and volatile token prices. Using well-audited platforms and diversifying your investment is essential. Beginner-friendly platforms like Celsius Network provide a simple interface for earning interest, although users must stay aware of regularity updates. Additionally, CoinMarketCap DeFi is a reliable source to track trending DeFi projects and assess platform credibility before investing. So in 2026, DeFi continues to be one of the most exciting avenues for earning passive crypto income. By choosing secure platform, diversifying strategies, and staying informed using resources like DeFi Pulse and DeFi Llama, you can maximize your return while minimizing risk. So if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest crypto insights. Comment below with your favorite DeFi platform. I would love to know where you're earning in 2026. Thank you.